Okay, I think this is the clouds map. Now we just gotta find out where the protector and guard is. I hear talking for some reason, so I think that's where they are.
What's this guy's name?
And
His
once
name's
we
Billy.
get
I
the
really
gem,
like
we can go to the next biome.
And that's how
It's pretty cold in there.
Hey, guess we having some for lunch. Hey, what are you doing? My
Ugh.
hey,
Huh? Who are you people?
What a fucking
I'm the
pigeon.
guard.
What the heck? Where's Purple? I guess he didn't make it.
Purple's gone.
We're the guards
I'm
here.
the guard.
Why are you here?
I'm the guard.
I thought you were the protector and you're the
what
guard.
are you doing here? Hey, no
What's the
punching. Back off.
Blue, back off. They know where the gem is. Back up. Go there. Stand in your nice corner. Okay,
No. Hold your fire. Hold your fire, rookie.
so we have one if you shoot me, I swear to God.
Hey.
If you shoot me, I swear to God, I'm hitting you with you. Guys, go in your nice corner. Blue, go in your nice corner. Go in the house in your nice corner. Okay, good. Purple, go in your nice corner. Okay, so I was gonna ask you, where's the gem of this place? I need it to heal my mom.
No, we're
That's
not telling you
classified.
that, cause that person milk, please.
Can you be quiet and go back?
Can I kill him?
Yes, you can kill him, Peace. He's being annoying as heck.
Okay.
Okay, now you can jump off now.
So
No, thank you.
yeah. So we don't really like your kind here, which is pretty ironic because you're a bird. So just crystals, gems. We don't know where they are, or it's classified.
Flip. Blue, come here. Wait, no. Purple. Show them your gem. Purple, show them your gem.
Ooh! We could sell that on the black market and make like $5. Did you just die?
Oh, he died.
Okay, now that I'm down a guard,
Oh, and sorry that I banned him from the lobby.
Shoo. Just shoo.
You guys can shoot. Let me talk with him. So Blue, get in your nice corner. Purple, go in your nice corner too. That's not under the bridge. Your nice corner is not under the bridge. Okay, so we will sell that gem because I don't want him in my face no more. So I will sell him too, and then you guys can sell $10,000 with him because he is a 5-year-old kid, and you know that those people love 5-year-old kids.
Okay, I'll show you where the gem is.
Okay. Wow, I can't really. That was that easy.
What are these?
Yeah,
Can't
we're trying to
believe.
make money here.
Can't believe it was that easy. Wow. I just fell down. I need help getting back up.
Come here.
I am right here. Guys, where are you? How did you guys get all the way over there without me?
Just go to the market, Sammy.
Wait, I need to sell you the gem. Wait, I need you to sell. I'm gonna sell you the gem. Just wait for me. I'm coming. Okay. Okay, let me sell you the gem. Where are
Okay,
you?
before you
So,
sell the gem,
while I
got
was coming here,
bad
I stole it
news.
from his pocket. So, here you go.
Okay, thank you, but I got bad news. See, the other rookie guy, he kind of misplaced the gem you needed with all these pomegranates.
God, let me dig my hand in there.
What you say?
Oh, I found a piece of the gem. Wait, guys. Guys, I found a piece of the gem. That means they're inside of these whatever. Come on, stick your hand in it. Got another piece of the gem.
Okay, have fun.
Wait.
Hand stuck.
You can't just quit us like that.
My
You don't
hand
need me for
stuck.
this story anymore.
Where are you
You don't need me
going?
for this episode anymore.
Why?
What do you mean, why? You got the gem thingy.
Yeah, wait, come back though. You're the
not
clouds
the lead.
protector.
We need
Put
your
it together.
instincts by our side.
Come.
Okay.
Just grab it.
Right.
Just grab it.
I will wave. It is now together.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now shoot.
Ugh.
Idiot.
Third crystal. That was pretty easy, actually. I'm gonna go check which nap is next, guys. Come on. Let's go.
Okay, bye.
But you gotta come with us.
Fine.
Come on. Let's all do this together. Come on, guys. Let's go check what map is next.
Probably in this car.
Whew. I can't believe it's that easy to get gems. The winter one was actually pretty protected, by the way.
Agreed.
And you're just let us get it. Third gem.
Wait, how many
Yeah.
more biomes till we have enough to save your mama?
Shave my mama.
Your mama.
We got 3 crystals to the biome. Next biome is for some reason it's city.
Dun dun dun.
Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da.
I actually don't want to be in this.
Ba-da-dum.
Can we just make up an can I go back into our sheriff it and just make an excuse why I joined you?